All right, let's see. December 2024. I feel like Captain Kirk, but wearing too much orange. And I need one of those Star Trek kind of little thingamajigs things. Star date, December 20th, 2024. I'm going to boldly go where no man has gone before. And hopefully we're not heading directly to Uranus. Oh man, I'm cracking myself up. Okay, this is a very serious business about your future. Okay? And boy, if you're watching my videos, you know I'm a kind of a smarty pants. I like to use humor and kind of talk to you guys like we're just hanging out at a lunch or maybe on the couch watching my favorite football team lose every year for 30 years in a row now. Dallas Cowboys, but I won't bring that up. I look like a Denver Bronco because I have way too much orange on. Okay. With Live Good, all right, first, you just need to look into it to see if it's for you. I recommend just watch a 5-minute and 55-second video from Live Good first, okay? It's produced by Live Good. It is hosted by the CEO, Ben Glinsky, all right? And he does a great job just talking about the products, the opportunity in 6 minutes or less, okay? I'm good at doing a 6-minute video where I just hold my card sideways and I try to make a point by pointing a lot. But I really want to go like this and itch my ear and pick my nose because I think I have a little boogie. Okay. All right, joincory.com. I bought this from GoDaddy for $11.99. I got these business cards at Vistaprint for 25 bucks, a couple bucks shipping, and I can hand these out on a street level. Cory, what's that thing you're doing on Facebook? What's going on, kid? Check it out. Go to joincory.com. Goodbye. I do not like to promote Live Good in person because I think you're going to forget half the crap I chit-chat about anyway. Okay? I think it's better just to let the videos already produced do all the yakking and the talking and the spieling, okay? Now, email. Man, I'm good at emails. If you join Live Good with me, I'm going to send you an email about everything I do, okay? And I'm going to make it real simple by shrinking my screen and showing you a free web page that I want you to get to that leads you to my online opportunities that complement Live Good and have put me on the map. And I'm going to show you live that on the leaderboard, I'm almost at 400 signups. And I'm really proud of that, okay? All right. If you need to get a hold of me on Facebook. You can see that I go by the moniker Pure Rock Radio Network. That's my radio station, which I'm going to promote at the end. Here's my Hummer, man. Do you like that thing? All right, check it out. You want to see my hood? See the Punisher? All right, check it out. Look, I got the new Punisher logo. Look. That's right. I bought this keychain and I hung it around my neck. I even bought another one too. You want to see real quick? Look. Ooh, he's scary. Look into my eyes. I want you to join Live Good. And then run across the street in your undies, clucking like a chicken so your neighbors think you're weird. Okay, do it now. Oh, okay. That just gave me the hiccups and the creeps. All right? Anyway. Back to my serious video about Live Good. Oh man, I'm a big fan of Hummers. All right, here we go, guys. I want you to go to CoryDraper.com. And in the middle of your screen, you're going to see a pretty girl just sitting there drowning. And guess what? Your boy Cory's arm is going to catch that person and just save her life. Look at that. Now, is that really me in real life? No. But would I save her? Hell yeah. You're darn right I would. She's got cute little toes. I save anyone with cute toes. That's a girl, of course. Now, if you're a big hairy man named Bob, sorry, Bob, learn to swim. Okay. Now, if you need Facebook, boom, it's right there. If you need me on Instagram or TikTok X, what's it called? YouTube, right there. There's TikTok. Click any of those. You can get a hold of me. Okay. Now, if you want to look at the Live Good opportunity, remember, CoryDraper.com. Pretty simple, right? Let me look over at my screen here, and I'm going to do my best to find the, what's it called, the business card that I made on Vistaprint. Sometimes if I put it up on the screen, it's a little better for you to kind of comprehend what the heck I'm talking about here. So there it is right there, guys. I just went and bought CoryDraper.com a long time ago. God, like 30 years ago. Okay. So please click that and bookmark it. I think it'll be important, especially if you're going to join some of my opportunities here, like Live Good and some others. The top one is Live Good. And you can see when you click it, it just goes to a capture page. You get this. It's included. You got $49.95 and climb aboard as a member and affiliate. Guys, you get this exact page, except just change your name right here. You can put whatever. I just put Cory Draper. Watch the video, though. Seriously. And then put your name and email address in. Hit reserve my position. Now, that doesn't mean you've joined LiveGood yet. It just means that I'm going to send you an email for 30 days about LiveGood, the opportunity, the products. Okay, and if you want to join, just click anywhere in that email. But if you want the emails to stop because you're just not feeling it, then opt out. Okay, just opt out. You can see where you can opt out in the email as well. Keep the emails, though. Keep all 30 of them because they're well written. And if you join as an affiliate, you want to keep those emails and learn off them and somehow even send your version of those emails out to people. Guys, emails still work. I send an insane amount of emails out every 23 hours by the click of a button. Over 100,000, not just for LiveGood, for some other opportunities that complement LiveGood, that get you signups, but gives you some of this. Guys, you got to make this. I'm not kidding you, and you know this. If you're not making this, your attention and your passion for LiveGood or any business is going to slowly just go. You can only ask someone out so many times, and they keep saying no. Okay? You can only search for gold in those California rivers, and remember the California gold rush if you're from America. But if you ain't finding no gold, you're like, well, I guess we're going to have to farm or create Facebook or something because we got bills to pay. All right? But if you like LiveGood products, you're going to buy them no matter what. They're the best. We're a wholesale company. So if you are a fan of LiveGood products, oh man, you want to be a member. Spend the $10 a month, please, because you're going to save about 40 to 50 bucks, in my opinion, on the products. Spend 10 to save 30, 40, 50 bucks or more. That's a good deal. That's just good. That's just good business. Now, when you're an affiliate, please don't put LiveGood in an MLM, traditional Amway, Newskin, Herbalife, Mary Kay. I mean, you guys know MLMs, and if you're good at the MLM thing, awesome for you. In my opinion, you're going to kick butt in LiveGood because you don't have to buy any products to earn commissions. You just spend $40 to be an affiliate, like your boy here, dressed in orange, and then you just get real good at inviting people to watch videos that are already produced. I hope you do that because it's really helped me out a lot just by simplifying. Business card. You don't have to have business cards. I just think if you have a couple in your car or in your pocket, it's easier to just have people go to a video to do all the recruiting about the whole opportunity. But joincory.com. I'm done. I know that if you watch that 6-minute video, you're going to have all the information you need if you're in or out of LiveGood. And if you want to put your email and name in that little box and just click reserve my position, then guys, at least for the next month, you're going to be reminded about LiveGood, and you might just be on a budget because it's Christmas in a couple days. You might just say, hey, you know what? It's not that I can't afford $49.95, but I just want to get through the holidays so that when I do join LiveGood, I can at least have that time. The kids are back to school. Because guys, I'm well aware that when kids are out of school for the holidays, they can be distracting. Then you got to have food, travel, holiday this, Christmas that. And you're probably tired because it's not normal to go from Christmas into New Year within a 7-day period. And you're probably eating stuff that makes you tired. And by the time it's January 1st, and in my case, football is over, let's go to January 2nd. January 1st don't count. The 2nd. You look down, you got a little bit of chub going on from all those calories. And then you're like, oh God, Christmas cost me thousands of bucks. How can I get my money back? Is there an online opportunity that's pretty good? I know it's good. I know I'm real good at the LiveGood thing. And I really want you to look into it. It's a really cool product. It's a really good program. I mean, as a money-making opportunity online, products are awesome. They speak for themselves. But as far as an opportunity online, this is something that you should look into. I think you're going to be real happy. It's the best $49.95 you're going to spend, guys, especially going into 2025. These type of businesses do well in January because the holidays are over. Kids are back in school. You probably need some money. So if you're watching right now, at least just reserve. At least get some emails coming in the next 30 days. Just remember, joincory.com. And I want you to do the same if you sign up with me. Please get some business cards. Get a domain name that's fun. And I'm going to send you an email exactly what I do. My emails are free, guys. If you want to use a system or a technique or some software that I totally highly recommend you do, that's up to you. But I'm an easygoing dude, guy. I ain't going anywhere. And I hope you go somewhere. And that's right into the Live Good family. I know you can do this. Even if you're grumpy and you're retired, I hope you have no experience. Because I think if you have no experience, you have even a better chance of success because you don't have all these old, pent-up, well, I know what I did back in 1970. And I don't know, ladies, maybe you're pretty good at the 70s and 80s meetings in the living room with Tupperware and home interior. But you know, it's 2024. Stuff that worked a year ago might not even work. Stuff that's, oh my gosh, even, God, sometimes a week. But guys, when we're talking marketing from 10, 20, 30, 40 years ago, whew, it's almost 2025, man. Things go fast. People's attention span is what, five seconds like a goldfish? Okay. You need to do what it takes to be interesting, entertaining, compelling. Your emails have to be something pretty darn cool so people open them up, read them, and click and watch a movie already made. You don't have to do video like this, guys. You don't have to do a webcam, or where's my cell? I mean, if you have a cell, you can do live Zooms, I don't know, do a selfie video behind your steering wheel, or maybe just walk down the street. All right, there's nothing wrong with you filming live and you're shy. Maybe you don't mind your voice. Hello, check 1, 2. What are you wearing? Okay. Really? Hello, Mom. Sorry, I thought you were someone else. Okay. Guys, whoo, man, this alone. Talk, text, Instagram, Facebook. Let's do a TikTok. Should I rap and rock? Come on. I'm going to rock. I'm not a rapper. Okay, but I rock my ass off. Yes. Okay. Anyway, you got a cell phone, you can do this. You got a laptop, you can do this. You got a home business, you can do this. You got $49.95, you can do this biz. You just need time. That's it. So if you want to at least put your name and email address in, go to joincory.com. And if we need to get you going January, let's say 2nd, let's do it. Okay, I ain't going anywhere, guys. Take your time. Thank you for watching my videos. I'm knocking over all this stuff. Can I please show you Disco Barbie, ABBA? Do you remember the blonde girl from ABBA? Look at that. That's right, Dancing Queen. Feel the beat of the tambourine. That's right, I'm making Disco Barbie to complement my Eddie Van Halen Funko Pop. And then I'm going to stand her next to my creepy Jason Friday the 13th doll that shakes his little bum. Look at him dance. Isn't he a cute little guy? Okay, guys, I'm done being creepy. I think. Well, I'm done being creepy on camera, but I'll still be creepy. I'll do the best I can to, be consistent. Okay, Punisher loves you. I'm going to rub him for good luck. Okay, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cory at CoryDraper.com. If I can do something for you, get a hold of me, okay? All right, take care. Bye.